we have a deviation of 3 millimeters right here.
Copy that. Adjusting the baseline now. Hold the tension on the left. All right, easy now, bring it down. All right, lift on the main hook, slow and steady.
Watch the stabilizers.
Roger that, coming up.
We are clear to proceed. Lower 5 meters.
Roger, lowering 5 meters. Line steady.
This connection point here routes directly to the day tank overflow. Make sure it's fully secured.
Understood. I'll use the impact wrench.
The semicircular layout provides excellent sight lines.
Yes, and the cabling under the floor is immaculate.
Okay, tighten the top bolt. It's secure now. Check the alignment.
Connector engaged and latched. Green light confirmed.
Acknowledged. Initiating shore power sequence.
Airflow is nominal. Activating the smoke generator now to check the dispersion pattern.
Grapple engaged and locked. Status green.
Acknowledged. Proceed with slow extraction.
Hold it there. Bring it down slowly. Okay, easy now.
This valve alignment looks correct. The torque marks are present.
Confirmed. Log that as complete on the punch list.
Safety barrier is secure here.
She's clear. Well done, everyone. Affirmative, Captain. Moving to the channel now. Easy now, bring it left a little. Watch the cables. Bring it down 5 more centimeters. Copy that. Securing the starboard side. Keep the pressure up. Fire boundary secure. The pump is online.
Adjusting course to 045. Confirming safe passage through the ice field at 1600 hours.
Slow the starboard tug to half ahead. Hold the course steady.
All right, heave. Secure the line. Take up the slack. Easy now.
Slack is clear. Tensioning lines 5 and 6.
Verify the relay settings before we proceed.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance for synchronization.
Differential pressure is stable. Airflow confirmed.
Data acquisition complete. The rehearsal was successful.
The gauge reading is fluctuating slightly. See that?
Yes, but it's within tolerance. The seals are intact.
Valve adjustment complete. Check the primary side temperature.
Reading steady at 90 degrees Celsius. Commissioning successful.
So referring to the procedure walkthrough on screen, we prioritize the injection sequence here before stabilizing the reactor coolant flow.
All parameters approved, Mr. Sharma. We are ready.
Ready. Excellent work, Dr. Lee.
Turning gear rotation is steady. No abnormal vibration detected. Checks finalized. System green.
Clear the path on the starboard side. All right, keep the pressure steady.
Gasket seated correctly?
Yes, looks good.
All right, start the torque sequence at 50 foot-pounds.
Check the next expansion joint down there.
Roger that. Supports look solid.
Data logged, we can proceed. Check the ice on the lower vents.
Got it. Looks like excessive buildup near the damper.
Are the certificates in order for the readiness review?
Yes, they are fully compliant.
The pressure is holding steady at 0.5.
Okay, I'm opening the bypass now. Keep an eye on that trap. Muster Station Alpha, report readiness. Ensure all suits are sealed and secured. Prepare for boarding. All right, take up the slack slowly. Watching the line. Keep it coming, easy now.
The pressure readings are stable, but keep an eye on the secondary coolant loop here. It's logged on page 42.
Okay, page 42. And the vibration sensor on the turbine?
Check marker 12. Displacement is negligible.
All right, noted. The alignment looked good from here.